We have come to realize that it's a movement very well funded. And if they realize that you are opposed to such a scenario or such an activity, you become an enemy. So funds are channeled through some NGOs and some church projects. So there are those quarters even in our church that are suspecting that the funds are also put into this kind of movement, or the people that are opposed to the Methodist Church in Kenya. And some of them are these people who want to dismantle the whole system and bring recklessly the church, the people called Methodist into this dispute, and also bring that church down in a very bad way.